morning, students. Welcome back to the online class of Bardon Model School. This is your math class. So today we'll be doing from chapter number 1, knowing our numbers. So I have written there the chapter knowing our numbers. In the previous class we are solving the sums from this chapter. So today we'll be doing the same thing. So this is all of you must be having your book with you. Okay. Yes, and your math copy also. In the previous day we are solving from page number 8. No? Yes, page number 8. And I have given you homework. No, I have given you some homework from page number 8. All of you will be opening your math book, NCERT math book. Yes, NCERT math book, page number 8. So let me start from here. What I have given you homework. Let me solve this one. Okay. Yes. Okay. And all of you will be doing this work in your math copy, school math copy. Okay. Those who have not done the homework, please do it now. Okay. See here. This is page number 8. Page number 8. Try this. All of you will be opening this one. Try this. I have given the homework that I am solving now. Yes. All of you have to tell me the answer. All of you have to tell me the answer one by one. First of all, number 1. 10 minus 1. It is very easy. It is 9. Yes. Okay. Next, number 2. 100 minus 1. It is 99. This is also very easy. Okay. Next one, number 3. 10,000 minus 1. Yes, 10,000 minus 1. So I am solving it here. If you can't tell, you can solve the sum first. So 10,000 minus 1. What is the answer? This is 9, this is 9, this is also 9, this is 9. So it will be 4 9 means 9,999. Okay? Okay. Next, number 4. Number 4 is, what is 1 lakh minus 1? So I will write here 1 lakh. 1 lakh means 5 zeros are there. See, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh. So 1 lakh minus 1. What is the answer? So I will do it once again. Those who have cannot say properly, say the correctly answer. So you must solve it here. 1 lakh minus 1. What is the answer? See, 9 here, 9, 9, 9, 9. So it will be 99,999. 99,999. Then number 4. Number 5 now. We have solved number 4. I think all of you have done this one. Up to number 4, yes. Okay. Now next. Yes. Next one. It is, how many zeros are there? It is 7 zeros. So it will be 1 crore. So I will write here 1 crore means 7 zeros. See, 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 1 crore minus 1. What is the answer? See here, I will do this one once again. Those who have not understood, they must do the subtraction now. So 1 crore, I will write here 1 and 7 zeros. 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 1 crore minus 1. So what is the answer? 9 here, 9 here, 9 here, 9, 9, 9, 9. How many 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. It will be 99 lakh, 99,999. So it will be 99 lakh, 99,999. 7 9 will be there. I think all of you got this one. Yes. All of you got this one? Okay, very good. So once again, I will repeat this one. This is the number you have to do. I have given you homework. Try this. Page number 8. 10 minus 1, 9. 100 minus 1, 99. 10,000 minus 1, 9,999. 1 lakh minus 9, 99,999. And 1 crore means minus 1 means 99 lakh, 99,999. Okay. I think all of you have done this one. Okay. Those who have not completed, please complete now. Now everyone will follow page number 8. Everyone will page number 8. All of you follow. See there. All of you follow the book. We come across large numbers in many different situations. For example, while the number of children in your class would be a 2-digit number, the number of children in your school would be a 3 or 4-digit number. The number of people in the nearby town would be much larger. Is it a 5 or 6 or 7-digit number? Do you know the number of people in your state? How many digits would that number have? What would be the number of grains in a sack full of wheat? A 5-digit number, a 6-digit number, or more? Okay, it can be more, it can be 6-digit number also, or more than 6-digit number. So again, there is one try this. All of you follow the try this at the bottom of the page. Page number 8. We'll solve again this one. So I will rub it now. I will erase this try this. Okay. Now everyone please follow. See, again try this. So I am not erasing this one. Page number, same page. All of you look at there. See here, number 1. Number 1 we will not doing because it is a example. You have to give the example. I will tell you. You can just listen. You can listen this one. No need of writing there. Number 1 is given. Give 5 examples where the number of things counted would be more than 6-digit number. Suppose you are having a sack of rice, a bag full of rice, a sack of rice. Means when you are counting the rice, it is not possible to count the whole rice or sack of rice. No, it will be a more than 6-digit number. Okay, so heavy quantity, heavy amount is that one. So this way you have to give the example. Means you can tell that it will be a more than 6-digit number. A sack of rice can be there, a sack of wheat, a sack of pulses, okay, a sack of groundnut can be there. This way you can give the example. So number 1 we are not doing. Now we will be doing number 2 and 3. All of you look at question number 2 from try this. Starting from the greatest 6-digit number, write the previous 5 numbers in descending order. What do you mean by descending order? Descending order means arranging the numbers from the greatest to the smallest. So you have to start from the greatest 6-digit number. And what is the greatest 6-digit number? Can anyone tell me the greatest 6-digit number? What is the greatest 6-digit number? Yes, it is 6, 9 will be there. Yes, it will be 6, 9. See, I am starting here. Number 2, 6, 9. Greatest 6-digit number it will be 6, 9. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. It will be 9,99,999. You have to start from here. Then you have to write the next numbers in descending order. So I will start from here. Next 5 numbers I will write. It will be 9,99,998. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then 9,99,997. Okay, then 9,99,996. Okay, then 9,99,995. Then 9,99,994. So 5 numbers I have written here. I have started from the greatest 6-digit number. Then I have written 9,99,998. Then 9,99,997. Then 9,99,996. Then 9,99,995. Then 9,99,994. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your answer. Okay, I think all of you got this one. Okay. Okay, next. Number 3. Number 3 we will do now. See here, number 3, starting from the smallest 8-digit number, write the next 5 numbers in ascending order. What do you mean by ascending order? Ascending order means arranging the numbers from the smallest to the greatest. Okay, so I'll be starting from the smallest 8-digit number. So what is the smallest 8-digit number? What is the smallest 8-digit number? Look at there. All of you follow the example. Yes. Can anyone tell me? Okay. See here. So it will be smallest 8-digit number. See, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits. So it is 1 crore. 1 crore is the smallest 8-digit number. See, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Then we have to write the next 5 numbers in ascending order. So it will be 1 crore, 1. Then 1 crore, 2. Then 1 crore, 3. Then 1 crore, 4. Then 1 crore, 5. This is your answer. So see, all are 8-digit number. You can check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So starting from the smallest 8-digit number, we have written. I have written that one in ascending order: 1 crore 1, 1 crore 2, 1 crore 3, 1 crore 4, 1 crore 5. Okay, this way you have to write it down. Okay, all of you will write this one, complete it quickly. Then we'll be going to the next page. Those who have completed, you please turn over to the next page, page number 9. I will rub this one Okay, let me tell you, next page, page number 9, all of you follow. See there, an aid in reading and writing large number. So here, now you are going to read and write the large numbers, means 6-digit number or 7 or 8-digit number. Okay, see, first of all, number 1, see, try reading the following numbers. All of you follow there, page number 9, try reading the following numbers. Number A. Okay, I will rub it here. I think you have completed all. Now we'll be doing. Okay, next page. Just everyone just look it there. We will be doing the thing. See, you can write this one also. Suppose number A. See, it is given 2, 7, 9, 4, 5, 3. So how to read this one? Number name, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. It will be 2 lakh. You can write this number, 2 lakh. 79,000 453. Okay, next number B. 5035472. Okay, how to read this number? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. It will be 50 lakh, 35,472. 472. Okay, this one. Then number C will do 1527 00375. So what is the number? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So it will be 15 crore, 15 crore, 27,000, 27 lakh, 27 lakh, 27 lakh, 375. 375. Okay, this way, this number you have to read it. Okay, so there, see there, then there is given expansion also. Just we have done previously, we have written the number name, then we have done the expansion form. You have to do the table. Then this table you will be doing as homework. You will do the two tables given there. One is that one is a lakh, 10 lakh, up to 10 lakh position, place value. Then next one is the 10 crore position. Okay, that two tables you will just fill up the blank only. See, first one I am showing you there. I am just erasing this one. Number A, I have erased this one. I will show you, then I will end the class. See here the table. All of you do the table as homework. as homework. It is your homework. All of you will do this one. See, first number I am writing 7,34,543. See, the number name is written there. All of you follow the number name. It is written there 7,34,543. So expand form, expansion. How to do this one? Expansion means 7 lakh. That means 7 into 1 lakh plus 34,000. So it will be 3 into 10,000. Then 4 into plus 4 into 1000 plus 5 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 3 into 1. Okay, this way you have to do this one. Just as before you have done. I am just showing you there the table. You do the two tables there. No, you will do in the copy, in your math copy you will do. All of you will do in your school math copy. Then next day I will discuss this one once again. Both the tables you will do. One is 10 lakh up to the 10 lakh place value. Another is 10 crore place value. Only the fill in the blanks. That blank is given, you have to fill it up. Okay? This way we will do. Okay? So today up to this much we have done. We have done up to page number 9. Next day we will be doing the other thing from the next pages of your chapter 1, knowing our numbers. So till then, thank you everyone and bye. Okay.